Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Monday, July 10th, 2023. We saw the S&P go up 10 points, basically, got back what it lost on Friday, but nothing has really changed as far as, my overall view on what's going on. And I do believe we are much, much closer to the end of this move than we are the beginning. I do not believe that we are in a new bull market, and I think pretty soon there's going to have to be a reality check with the traders that are trying to press the tape up here. But we have everything we really need. We have bearish divergences in place. We were in a little bit of oversold levels, so seeing a little bit of backing and filling makes sense. But it's really there's not a whole lot even to go over. We had some bullish divergences here, so the bouncing end made sense. The bulls are going to have to get it above the 41.41. Bears are going to have to get it below the 43.85. If the bulls win, then most likely we're coming up and testing these highs, or maybe even a little break of it. Who knows? If the bears win this, the next support area is going to be 43.57, and then we're back down at these important lows right here at the 43.25. Now, with the 43.25 on this one, this is really going to be the panic line for the bulls. If this gets taken out, then we're coming right down to the 42.60 level, and then we're probably going to start closing gaps. So right now, like I said, the bulls have been hanging pretty strong. I think they're on borrowed time right now. It's definitely time is not on their side. We know that we've had some pretty extreme sentiment readings, and right now it's more a patience thing, just waiting for things to roll over. I don't believe that the Bulls have any news that's on their side, and it's kind of crazy that we are here, but we're here, and they're trying to convince everybody that we're starting a new bull market and throwing stats out from last times we've closed at say above 10% in the first half of the trading year. But there's also stats that are saying that we're guaranteed that we're going to be going into a recession, and the stock market's going to have to take its medicine for that. But people are using stats on where they're going to offset each other. Where you have one stat that says we're going into a recession, it's happened every time, and the other one is closing above 10%. It's like a 90% chance that we close 5% higher or something like that, and we may end up doing that in the second half. But I still believe we're going to come down and start closing some of these gaps down here before we make that move up there. So there is a chance that we could be 5% higher than where we are, or where we closed the first half of the year. But it's not coming from here. It's gonna come down after we do some backing and filling and start closing some of these gaps. So that's really about it. It was a pretty boring day overall. And hopefully things are going to start lighting up. We'll go over things in the premium report tomorrow. We'll go into a little more detail. But with that, enjoy the rest of your night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.